It's your boy
Dashinq
Dash.
with
You feel? You don't? You will. Let's get this money. Hey, yo, Q. Let me get that. Great morning. It's your boy Dashinq Q. Back with another one. Hey, this morning, I ain't turned the map on. It's 7:30. I'm about to get ready to go out. But look, check this out. I had to warm the car up because it's cold as shit outside. Like, oh my God, I went outside and there's frost on the ground. So you know what time it is out here in Minnesota? These dashes about to get crazy. These people about to wreck their cars. Yes, he hear me. Well, hey y'all, let's go ahead and hit these streets. Let's see what the day has to offer for us. Let's go ahead and get this money. Yo, what's the word, man? First order of the day is a Starbucker. We got a 650 for 2.3 miles, y'all. Let's get this thing cracking. Let's get this thing popping. Okay, is it ready? Yes, kid. First order of the day. Y'all know my signature. You know how we do. Let's go. Thanks, man. The unassigned, I got a 550 for 1.5 miles. We at Starbucker. You feel me? All right. Starbucker drop. Yo, we got a Starbucks. It's been slow this morning. We got a 550 for 1.3 miles, though. You know, I think all my orders have been Starbucks. Right. All right, y'all. I got a 550 Panda Express after like 2.5 hours of waiting. Horrible orders. Horrible, horrible, horrible. Jesus Christ. That Panda Express, I had to unassign that last order because I was waiting 10 minutes. Then they said they had 7-minute wait on rice. It's only a $5 for 1 mile, but this is a $13 for 3 miles. I gotta wait on this one. I gotta wait on this one. Fucking nightmare orders. This is a great order, but look, the location is crazy. Where is the address? Where? Okay, 2060, right here. Get this shit. All right, got this delivery drop off. That's for Megan. Okay, I can leave it right here. All right, y'all. Oh, they gave me an add-on. All right, I got a Chipotle, 2 stacked orders from Chipotle, a $9 for 4 miles and a $7 for 4 miles. I just took them because they've been playing games with me. Hey man, I got a 811 for 3 miles. Red Robin, looking at. All right, we got this Red Robin order. Drop off. You feel? All right, we got another Chipotle, $6.75 plus for 1.5 miles. $6.75 plus for 1.5 miles. Yep.
Thank you.
Yep, no problem.
Thank you.
Yep, have a good one.
You too.
Thanks. Ball game. I feel like a sports analyst. Couldn't go through the 35, 45, 40. Oh, gentlemen, you know, this has been a doozy of a day, but look, we just pushing right along to hit that goal. We just keep going. We relentless. You know, we got a 650 plus for 1.8 miles. 650 plus for 1.8 miles. So, you must have been waiting on this order. $222. Jesus Christ, look at this apartment. Look how far this damn building go down. Guys, man, we coming down to the wire here. They drug me through the mud all day, and we're finally scraping this goal. I got a 550 for 1.8 miles, a Starvenia, and I have a True's Pizza, $7 for 3.8, I think. We got a True's Pizza here. This is a stacked order. This is the other order. Starvenia is taking 5-10 minutes, so I decided to come get this one first. Got this delivery here for that Starvenia order. It took forever. 16. All right, let's go ahead and drop this piece off. Get one more order after this, and that's a wrap for today. It's the last order of the day, $6 for 3 miles. Let's get out of here. Doordash. Let's get out of here. Last one, man. The last one. Oh, he already watching. See, on point. He on point. He already watching me.